Dear children, welcome to today's online class. Yesterday, in the previous video, we have completed exercise 10.1. Here we are going to start exercise 10.2. In this exercise, it is asked to find out the areas of the following figures by counting the squares. Here the figures are drawn on the square paper and some of the figures are drawn, and here you are asked to count the number of figures and how many boxes will be there. That will be the area, and the unit of the area is square units. Like in perimeter you were asked to write the unit as meter, centimeter, like that. Here you are writing as square units. Square unit means a square centimeter or a square meter, like that. That is the unit of the area. Okay. And what is the perimeter we have discussed in the previous video? Perimeter means starting from one point and just moving all around the figure. पूरा चारों तरफ घूमकर उसी पॉइंट पर वापस आना. That is called as the perimeter. And here for the area we are just counting the number of boxes. Here we will find actually what is area, the total space which is occupied by the any of the thing, or the land you can say, or the field you can say, or if you are keeping your compass box, if compass box you are taking, and how much space it occupies on the टेबल पर उस कंपास बॉक्स को रखने के लिए कितनी जगह वो लेता है, उस जगह, उस टोटल जगह को हम बोलेंगे कि वो उसका एरिया है. अंडरस्टूड? सो एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द एरिया? एरिया इज द अमाउंट ऑफ सरफेस enclosed by the figure, that is called its area. And here area, for finding the area in this exercise 10.2, you are asked to count the number of boxes. By counting the number of squares, you will find out the area of the particular figure. So the first figure given one square. Here we are first going to count the number of boxes. So here just you can see the figure in your textbook. Here already I have written the number of boxes, and for counting I have just written, you can see it in detail. I have written in this manner. For counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 boxes or 9 squares are covered up here. So 9 is the area, and what unit you will write here? Square units. So 9 square units is the area of this first figure. That is clear? Now coming to the second figure. For the second figure, it is given in the plus way. So here first you are going to count the number of squares or the number of boxes. So just go all around, means not all around means पूरा चारों तरफ घूम कर हमको नहीं देखना है. You are going to count the number of boxes or the number of squares here. तो इसमें कोई भी बॉक्स छूट ना जाए, इसलिए हम इसमें नंबर्स लिखकर इसको काउंट करते हैं. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन and you can see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So total 5, and any of the box is not left out in this figure. So total how many squares? 5 squares are there. So the area is 5 square units. Understood here? It is very simple one, these two. Now coming to the third one, it is little complicated, not that much complicated also. Just you first listen, then it will become easy for you. This figure first you see in your textbook, and then you can see the solution, how we have solved it. First you can see the first from where this figure is starting. You can see the block, उस ब्लॉक का हाफ पार्ट कवर किया गया है. ठीक है, हाफ पार्ट कवर किया है. सो आई हैव रिटन देयर हाफ. ओके, देन सेकेंड इट इज कवर्ड one block. So I have written there 1. Then next only half of the block is covered. So I have written there half. Then fourth one, half of the block is covered. So I have written there half. Then next one full block is covered. so I have written there 1. And next half block is covered, so I have written there half. Now you have to just do total of all these. Okay, so I have already written it is half plus 1 plus half, then again half plus 1 plus half. Now you go for addition of this 1 and 1, total 2. Okay, then half and half 1, then half and half 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So 4 square units is the area of this figure. I think it is clear now. Half and half 1, that everyone understood. आधा और आधा मिलाकर एक पूरा होता है ना. So half is what? आधा. तो half plus half is 1. So 2 halves make 1 and 2 halves make 1. So here 1 plus 1 I have written. Now the next figure. It is very simple one. Simplest you can say. Just you go on counting. So total 8 boxes or 8 squares are covered up here. So 8 square units. Just a simple one rectangle is given. Not any difficulty in counting also. Now coming to the next figure. Given like stairs, सीढ़ी जैसा बना हुआ है. So just go on counting from one side. एक साइड से काउंटिंग शुरू करना ताकि कोई बॉक्स छूट ना जाए. ओके, सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द नंबर्स फॉर काउंटिंग. दैट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total how many boxes are here? Squares. Total 10 squares are here. So the area is 10 square units. That is clear. Now coming to the F part. F part, just like C part, half you have to understand here. Okay, so coming to the question. First, half of the block is covered. Then next, one full block is covered. Then next, half of the block is covered. Then next, half of the block. Then one, then half of the block. Then just you go for addition of all this. Half and half 1, 1 and 1 2, half and half 1. So 1 and 1, half and half 1 and 1 plus 1 and half 1. So total 4 square units. Clear? Then coming to G part. G part also here you are going to count that half and half. That is 1 2 3 4. That is 4 complete blocks are here. 4 complete blocks. Then half and half you have to take 1 and half 1. So total how many halves? 4 halves. That means complete 2. एक हाफ मिलकर 1 और एक हाफ मिलकर 1 और 1 plus 1 2. So directly I have written here 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6 units. Square units. The unit of area is square units. Clear? Then coming to the next question. Here anything half is not there. Direct figure is given. That is just you go on counting 1 2 3 4 then 5. So total 5 square units. Coming to the next question. That is just full complete boxes are there. Just go on counting. So total 9 boxes are there. So 9 square units. Then J part. Here also half of the block is covered in some portion and only 2 complete boxes are there. Rest all are half. So half and half 1, half and half 1 and total 2 complete box. So 2 complete box, that is 2 I have written and half and half and half and half. So half and half 1 and half 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 complete boxes means 4 square units will be there. Then next K part, 2 halves are there and 4 complete boxes are there. So 4 complete squares and half, 2 halves are there. 2 halves makes 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 square units. So only this much questions you have to just see and practice. The other type of questions, if you want you can do also. If you don't want, it is not of the type of coming in exam. So you just leave that So this much for exercise 10.2. Okay, now coming to the topic area. Actually, what is area? Here it was asked just by counting the square you have to tell what is the area, and unit you have to write just the square units. Now actually we are going to see what is that area. Just in the beginning of this exercise I have told the amount of the surface enclosed by the closed figure. एक क्लोज्ड फिगर होना चाहिए, फिगर क्लोज्ड होना चाहिए, लाइक स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल, ऑक्टागन, पेंटागन, all these are the closed figures. So for this closed figure amount of surface enclosed by that figure, enclosed मतलब वो जगह जिसको कि वो पूरा कवर करेगा. पेरीमीटर वी हैव सीन पेरीमीटर वी हैव सीन दैट ऑल अराउंड मतलब चारों तरफ उसके जो कवर करता है, एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होकर पूरा घूमकर वापस से उसी पॉइंट पर आता है, दैट इज द पेरीमीटर. बट एरिया इज द टोटल स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड, दैट इज द टोटल surface enclosed by that figure is called the area. So here we have seen area. The amount of the surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Okay, closed figure. Now we will see the simple closed figures like rectangle, square and all these. Triangle is also closed figure, but triangle is having some little different formula that we'll see little later. First we are going to see the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle we will see. Area of rectangle, like this rectangle we are seeing. So length into breadth is the formula for area of rectangle. If this rectangle you are going to draw on the square box rectangle, like question number D also I have told that it is looking like rectangle, simple rectangle. Yes, this question it is like looking like a rectangle. Yes, it is looking like a rectangle. So rectangle means what? Two boxes at the top, means at the top, and at the side four boxes are there. So you can say 2 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter the length, or you can say length 2 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. So 2 into 4 is 8, 2 4 से 8 और 4 into 2 is 8. चाहे लेंथ को इधर रखो ब्रेथ को उधर, या पहले ब्रेथ फिर लेंथ, नो प्रॉब्लम. 2 into 4 is also 8, 4 into 2 is also 8. So total you got 8 square units as the area. So that means the length into breadth is the area of rectangle. This is the rectangle. So length into breadth is the formula for area of rectangle. Clear? So this formula you have to learn, and for explanation I have taken the example of question 1 of 10.2 D part. That was rectangle. Okay. Now coming to the closed figure square. How you will see and understand what will be the area of square. For understanding this, like rectangle, we will come to the question A part. A part. This question is looking like a square. 3 boxes at the top and 3 boxes at the side. Means both side it is equal. 3 this side and 3 this side. So total 9. That is 3 into 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9. So 9 square units you got the area. Means side into side. 9 both length and breadth both are same. Like in perimeter formula also you have seen 4 into side, 3 into side. Why you have taken side there, not length and breadth? Because all were equal. Yes. So here also both length and breadth are same. So we are not writing it separately length and breadth. We will write it as side. क्योंकि दोनों साइड लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ दोनों इक्वल है, तो लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ के जगह हम साइड लिखेंगे. ठीक है. तो साइड इंटू साइड 3 into 3 is 9. So the answer is here 9 square units. Okay. So the formula will be side into side. So the area of square formula is side into side. This is 3 into 3 is 9 square centimeter. So the area formula is side into side. This much is clear. This is the area of square. Formula is side into side. Now again coming to the formula of area of rectangle, where you had length into breadth. Now in some question, suppose area is given and one of the length or breadth. लेंथ ब्रेथ में से कोई एक चीज दिया हुआ है और एरिया दिया हुआ है, एंड द अदर थिंग लेंथ और ब्रेथ इज आस्क्ड टू फाइंड. फ्रॉम द सेम फॉर्मूला यू कैन डिराइव मतलब उसी में से हम निकाल सकते हैं. एक आध चीज को इधर उधर ट्रांसफर करके हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इन द क्वेश्चन ओनली. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, देन यू हैव टू लर्न दीज फॉर्मूलाज. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, and if area is given and length is given, then breadth will be equal to area divided by length, and if length is asked to find, area divided by breadth will be the formula for length. So in this way, from the same formula, 3 formulas will be created. So you just learn these 3 formulas. A formula of area of rectangle, then length formula when area and breadth are given, then breadth formula when area and length are given. Clear? Then coming to the area of square, side into side. When side is given and area is asked, you can use that formula. If area is given and side is asked, then you have to take out the square root that you have not studied till now, and you will not study here in this class also, that you are going to study in class 8. So now I'm not giving that type of formula also, and that type of question is also not asked in your textbook. So no need to think and discuss about that. So only this one formula you have to learn, that is area of square is equals to side into side. Okay, so this much is clear, the formula of area of rectangle and area of square. Only these 2 formula we have seen, and this much only is given and asked in your textbook. Area of triangle is also there, but that is not given in your textbook. That is in class 7th, so you will study that in class 7th. So now coming to exercise 10.3. where the area of rectangle is asked, area of square is asked. And when the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given and you are asked to tell whether which of the area is the largest one and which of the area is the smallest one. So these 3 type of question number 1, where you are asked to find out the area of rectangle. Question 2, area of square. Question 3, area of rectangle only, and after finding 3 rectangles area, you have to compare and tell the largest and the smallest. So these 3 questions you will solve just in rough copy only and practice that, and we will see in the next video from question number 4 onwards. After that you will get the PDF of the whole chapter after completing this exercise 10.3. Okay, so this much for today's class. Thank you.